top secrets legendary traders use to have the most gains possible. When learning about successful traders and the strategies they use, we find out their success is directly associated with their trading style, strategy, techniques, and knowledge. If one gets into the trade hoping for the good outcome, then their trading may be considered a gambling proposition. When we trade, we know exactly when to get into the trade and when to get out. These are a few of the secrets successful traders use to be more profitable and financially prosperous. Secret number 1. The most successful traders have their own trading style. Some rely on technical analysis and some on fundamental approach to make their trade decisions. We like to use the options only, stocks only, or stocks in conjunction with options whenever we feel like it's the best strategy to control the risk and maximize our profits. Over time, as you trade more and more, you will develop your own style, and with practice, the best strategy that works for you. Secret number 2. When you set up your goals and objectives, it is imperative that you are properly capitalized to successfully accomplish them. Depending on your strategy expectations, short or long-term goals, you will need enough capital to get a chance on executing them. If you're going to do day trading or swing trading, you are going to need substantial capital depending on the price and margin requirements of the equity or option that you're going to trade. As you trade and gain more experience, you will learn more about it and will soon be able to determine how to get the best use of your existing capital and maximize your rate of return on your trade investments. Secret number 3. As we all like to lock in our profits, sometimes it is unavoidable to also take some losses. The key to successful long-time trading career is following the initial plan and strategy for controlling your risk and loss anytime on any trade. You can't be a successful trader if you don't know and are not prepared to take your losses. New and unexperienced traders keep on holding the losing trades too long, hoping that it will turn around and their losses will vanish. Unfortunately, again and again, we see this happening. And those traders who keep hoping and praying that their trades will work out in the end, it ends up blowing up in their accounts with margin calls, much bigger losses, unable to continue holding their accounts. It is best that you invest in your trading education and skills before you start trading. Experience the benefits of group trading and practice so much until you feel really comfortable and constantly profitable before you go to trade on your own. Most new traders think they are different and join us after realizing the complacency of trading alone without the necessary experience, knowledge, tools, or real game-changing strategies in markets full of sharks waiting for an overconfident, unprepared, and unarmed prey. Secret number 4. Trading is a psychological game. While the methodology and strategy are important, without psychological mindset, the failure is almost unavoidable. To be a successful trader, you must overcome the emotions of fear and greed. Successful traders are happy to take the expected losses to be able to focus on their winning trades. They have an uncanny ability to let their profits run, but do not get overly greedy in the process, allowing a big winner to turn into a small winner, or worse yet, a loser. Successful traders remain objective at all times and don't allow emotion to dictate their trading decisions. Secret number 5. Every successful trader must treat their trading like it is their business. Trading for a living or for wealth building is a business and must be treated accordingly. You wouldn't open a restaurant, for example, and hope to earn a living working only part-time, right? So to have a success in your trading endeavor, you should be able to solve problems, handle issues that may come up from time to time calmly and professionally. Once your business is run successfully, it will provide a very good livelihood for you and your family. This means putting in the time to perform market research, doing technical analysis, and structuring positions by focusing on the details. Secret number 6, successful long-time traders always keep improving their knowledge, skills, and ways of trading. Markets always change, and traders need to be adaptive to those changes. Understanding the markets and ways of being a successful trader can become a lifelong journey. It may improve the quality of your life and give you the freedom like no other job or business can. By being focused on your goals, always looking for ways to sharpen your skills, you can greatly contribute to greater rewards you can collect from markets by trading. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.optiontradersnetwork.com. Thanks so much.